Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, we're going to do a little tutorial on polishing the headlights, getting them clean with the Meguiars. Headlight protection and the plastic X here. First you want to clean them off real good. Get all the dirt and grime off. You can tell it was pretty nasty. And we're going to start out with our 1000 grit with our little sanding pad they give us in the kit. You get a little bottle, some water. You just spray it on the headlight. Just keep sanding it and make sure it stays wet. Basically what you're doing is leveling out the plastic, taking off all the oxidation. Don't take long, you just want to work it real good. This is the second headlight. I've already done the other side. If you want to take a look over there, that's the finished product. That's what we're going to get over here on this side. Keep it wet. Once you're done with that one, give it a little squirt of fresh water. Micro cloth they give you in the kit. You want to wipe it down. Get all the water off of there now. Get all the... It's nice and glazed over, so it's pretty good on the first go. You want to change out from the 1000 grit. We're going to go up to the 3000 grit pad. Go back with the water and just start going. Doesn't take long. As you can see, most of the oxidation's all gone. The hazing's gone. Alright, you got it pretty smooth. Wipe it off. Should have just a little bit of hazing left on the... Not as bad as the first one. Get it nice and dry. They supply you with this buffing pad to go on a cordless drill or corded drill, however you want to do it. I'm going to use this Plasti X here. Just apply a little bit to the pad there. Work it on. And just Alright. Pretty good. I'm going to go one more time across it. Make sure you tape up around the edges so that way you don't get into your paint. And make sure this stuff doesn't dry out. As you can see, it don't take much. It don't take long. It restores your headlight back to almost new. Peel this off. We'll wipe down. Give you a little headlight protection, basically like a wax. Take a clean cloth, put a little dab on here, tape it on. Let it kind of haze over. Take your towel, buff it off. There you go. Nothing to it. Give a thumbs up if you like it. This is Robert with 772 Customs. Thanks.